Introducing the 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.